Hi, it's Bernie Goldbuck. I'm here with Jack Allen. We're going to walk you through Wowza. It's a streaming service that we successfully used during Jack's fourth year project to show you can stream 4K from the drone live. It started with Wowza the service. You set the stream up there as a service.
Yep.
I thought you needed two things. One is you need the code for the other streaming service provider for the app. The app's DJI Go on the drone. You put in the RTMP service, and it's a long series of letters and numbers with a little thing at the end of the URL that we forgot the first time. And then when you're running the app, the DJI Go app, what tells you the stream is running?
So there's an icon in the left-hand corner that indicates it goes blue, so to speak, when the stream is actually live. So that's, you get an initial little beep to say that you're live, and then you can go back and check it on your laptop or your phone, using the Wowza live streaming platform service.
They give you, we grabbed an iframe, put the iframe into a website so you could actually see this.
Exactly.
Wowza will let you set up a stream ahead of time so you can set a date time group, activate that, pass it around to people so they can tune in. What I was amazed at is that it got good quality video and high quality audio as well. Some experimentation, we didn't use any spoffles or windshields, so we were just using a mic bud. We got some kind of wind noise there, but that's easily worked around. If you were to say, point out any snags with it, Jack, was there any difficulties setting it up? Because you did go through some hoops to get it right. What was tough to do?
What was tough to do initially was to actually start up the Wowza live streaming platform service. See, it ran into so many different things. So the first of all was to try and find where the RTMP actual server was. So to try and find that initially, and then actually put that in onto the iPad, and then to actually launch it from there. So there's many hurdles you have to go through until you can actually initially fly off and actually get some nice
footage. But what's the sequence of it? Because that's the thing that got me concerned. Like it would appear that it was activating, but it wasn't. So do you activate it on the DJI Go app first, or do you activate it on the stream? You activate the stream on the server first.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
And then open the app. You put your service number in there.
Exactly. So you get the RTMP code from the Wowza live streaming platform service, and then you put it into the DJI interface. So there's in the settings feature, you can put it into the live stream, and you can do Facebook Live,
Periscope is there, YouTube Live,
Facebook.
But this works really well. And just to hammer it home, once you set up the live stream and you turn it on, any billing or recording starts there. So like there is some time lag between grabbing the URL off the server and putting it into the DJI Go, which counts against your service time. The whole activity was recorded on their server, MPEG-4 and downloadable. That was handy. We're on a trial program of $15 a month, which may go to $45 a month based on our throughput. And one little other thing, the footnote is normally we did like 5-minute or 7-minute or 15-minute tests based on the batteries and things like that. But the last session I didn't shut down, or we didn't shut down, so it went to like 47 minutes, which could be billable. Anyway.
These are all the processes.
This is good stuff though. I mean, so at the end of the day, so you can see what's flying behind us, it worked fine. And it's up there on YouTube as part of your fourth year project.